Let me know if you if you are able to see my screen. So there are some issues going on. It's not allowing me to share the screen. My screen is visible right now. Is it visible? Are you all able to see the screen? Visible? Quickly give me a thumbs up if it is visible. Visible to all? Can see? Right? Cool. So today's topic is very important. It's like vegetarian plus diabetic is equal to B12 warning. We all have the B12 deficiency if we have, if we are vegetarian or if we have diabetes. Now, why it is, so prevalent among the diabetic people? We are going to disclose and unreveal all the connection. So please stay tuned and wherever you find any problem, you need any help or you want me to, slow down, do not, you know, worry. Just let me know that Neha, slow down. I am not able to catch up the pace. Okay. Cool. So now first thing, very, very important. Why B12 is so essential for our health? जैसे मैंने बोला कि it is very, very important for your cellular foundation. Our entire cells, हमारी body किससे बनी है? It is made up of cells. So body में cells formation के लिए what we require is the B12. So if your body doesn't have the B12, what will happen? It will not formulate the red blood cells. And when we check our HbA1c, what is there? It's a glycated hemoglobin, right? It's basically the red blood cells presence in the body. How many red blood cells you have? Is it having the glucose molecules on those red blood cells? So क्या होता है? Simple सा बताती हूँ. Let me just give you the example also. Imagine these are your red blood cells, right? Now there is blood, there is heme, which is the iron. The moment the blood sugar goes up, all the glucose molecules comes and stick here on your red blood cells. And they make it glycated hemoglobin, right? So that's why we feel lethargic because it is replacing all the iron molecules and getting replaced by glucose. Now we don't need glucose over there. We needed the iron. Now why glucose? We have to control our diabetes. That's the first warning sign if your HbA1c is high. Because if your HbA1c high, your red blood cells formation is also compromised. आपके body में red blood cells नहीं बन रहे हैं. So we need to understand कि cellular formation ही नहीं हो रहा. पूरी body cells से बनी है और cells ही नहीं बन रही है. अभी cells नहीं बनेंगे तो क्या होगा? Cells will start dying more faster. There will be more oxidative stress in the body. And ये oxidative stress क्या करता है? It creates lot of inflammation in the system. And ये inflammation, it increases the insulin resistance. अब बेचारी पैनक्रियाज इंसुलिन बनाई जा रही हैं बट देन सेल्स आर नॉट एबल टू एब्सॉर्ब दैट पैनक्रियाज में आपका इंसुलिन दे आर नॉट एबल टू एब्सॉर्ब इन द सेल्स. सो दीज आर द प्रॉब्लम्स व्हाट बॉडी इज फेसिंग एंड वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हो क्यों रहा है, ये क्या करें हम. वी डू नॉट हैव एनी चॉइस, वी डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाई these problems are coming up. So what we need to do is simple. Make sure that you are having a good amount of B12 in the body. If your B12 is good, automatically your cell development will happen smoothly. There will be a good, formation, DNA synthesis. So हमारा जो body is made up of DNA, right? We have a particular DNA. Everyone has a different DNA, and this synthesis has to take place for the body to function smoothly. So once you make sure that B12 is at high level, not just at borderline of 200, 300, I'm talking about somewhere close to 700. It should not be less than that, 600 to 700 B12 levels we have to maintain in the system. If it is around 200, 300, just at the borderline, please ensure you are talking to the doctor and taking the supplements. Second, nerve damage. If the B12 is not in good quantity, what will happen? Your nerves start damaging. It damages the nerves because the formation of the nerves is not taking place. And that is why we feel so fatigued. We feel like we are forgetful. We forget things. We are going to, talk about something, or if we are communicating in English, we are completely missing on the words. Oh, later on we realize we could have, used this word instead of this. We might have like, this is what we wanted to share, but then we have completely, we missed on the sentences. We missed on the, important communication that we wanted to share with the other person. So if you're not clear with your thoughts, that means definitely there is a sign of B12 deficiency. because B12 plays a very important and crucial role in your nervous system development. It also supports the brain functioning, impacts memory, and also helps in, completely building up your, your nerve cells formation and the development. So please ensure that you are having a B12 in a right amount. Now, why diabetes, right? But why the diabetic people have lot of problems? First thing is that understanding B12 deficiency is very, very common in India, in vegetarians, in even the diabetic people. There are a lot of people who are having a lot of dependency on the outside food. तो हमें जितना ज्यादा बाहर का खाना खाते हैं, वहां पे उतना ज्यादा B12 deficiency prevalent होती है. So that's what, like, if we go through the studies also, type 2 diabetes patients, like, people who are vegetarian, those who are eating a lot of junk, unhealthy stuff at home, खाना नहीं खाते अच्छे से, they eat completely unbalanced meals, like, somewhere प्रोटीन्स है नहीं, कभी डाइट में तो कभी फाइबर नहीं है, किसी मील में हमने प्रोटीन्स खा लिया, किसी में नहीं खाया. इन अ डे वी आर ईटिंग वन हेल्दी मीट एंड वी फील लाइक कि हमने बहुत अच्छा खाना खा लिया. सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी कॉमन अमंग द पीपल ऑफ टाइप 1 एंड टाइप 2 बोथ, राइट? Most of the blood sugar, your B12 gets flushes also when you are diabetic. So it's very very completely हमने देखा है कि बहुत significant है among the South Indian people, because most of the South Indian people, they are vegetarians. They do not eat a lot of non-veg. Apart from particular community, majority are vegetarians. So वहाँ पे भी ये problem होती है. North also we face lot of problem, but then again, the study shows majorly, South Indian people have more B12 deficiency, and it's very important to take care of it and ensure that we are not letting it go down. Now, people who all are taking B12, metformin, it's a very common medicine, right? We all eat. And very important, basic medication or treatment for diabetes. We all need metformin. Most of us, must be having it in our prescription. सब खाते हैं. But metformin क्या कर रही है? कोई जादू कर रही है? सारी diabetes की medicines क्या करती हैं? They flush the, excess glucose through the urine. Flush कर देती है urine के through, right? वो काम कौन करता है? Kidneys करती है. Kidneys help us in flushing the excess glucose through the urine. Now, metformin is also doing the same stuff. It is helping you to flush excess glucose through the urine. Now, if you are taking too much of metformin, just be very, very clear that B12 deficiency is 100% there. So, this is a basic, medication which we cannot omit. It's not that we can have another replacement. This is the role of the medicine. But then we have to be very careful. That's why if you have the metformin in your prescription, you will see doctor has written the B12 also, because they know it will get flushed. And that's how the reduction in the B12 levels takes place. So 25% of the people have low, B12 if they are not taking B12. I can see a lot of people, like, patients coming to me and saying, नो नो मैम, लास्ट टाइम B12 ठीक था, इसलिए डॉक्टर ने बोला कि लेना है, लेकिन मैंने नहीं लिया बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट वांटेड टू कंटिन्यू विद इट. Nothing like that. You are on metformin. You have low, higher chances of B12 flushing. So please ensure, without any compromise, without any second thought, you are going to take the B12 supplements. It is written in your prescription. I will share what are the names of the B12 supplements. Okay? Next is, like, there are increased risk of developing neuropathy. Diabetic neuropathy एक बहुत common complication है of diabetes. क्यों होता है? Because we ignore the B12, हम उसको लेते नहीं हैं, and that is the reason continuously our nerve starts facing, like, problem. They lose their control to manage the blood sugar levels. See, आपकी nerves हैं, right? These are your nerves. Now what happens? Glucose level is increasing and decreasing, so they are also inflating. There's a lot of fluctuations in the blood sugar readings, and this is impacting your nerve functioning. That's why later on we start facing कि हाथ में senses नहीं है. कभी-कभी we feel like there is no movement, no, strength in our hands, sometimes in our legs. We get tired, we get leg pain, we get hands pain. We are doing very simple stuff, but, during doing the day-to-day chores also, we feel completely weak. That's why we focus more on the strength training. We focus on B12, deficiency that has to be addressed. We cannot ignore it. And if this is happening, if you are having a diabetic neuropathy, 100% chances of getting the cardiac issues. You are seeing that people are very much, we are seeing a lot of deaths in India, abroad, due to the cardiac arrest. Why it is happening? Somewhere we are playing a lot with our body. It's not about if you are diabetic, but everyone is just eating, I think, eating. They have this one thing in their mind: eat this, go out. Every day, Sunday, they eat the food, and by Tuesday, they are again thinking, where will we go this week? Right? So please control your outside eating. I don't say don't go out, but then, change the definition of enjoyment. It's not the food. Food is the fuel. It's a fuel. We cannot keep on filling our tank again and again, assuming that, car needs the fuel. So car needs the fuel only when it is required, when you are running. Same way your body needs a fuel when you are running it, when you are utilizing it. If you are sitting whole throughout the day, you don't need that much of energy. So be very mindful, because we do not want more deaths in India just because of the B12 deficiency, just because of the wrong eating and the diabetic neuropathy, or any sort of neuropathy that people develop over the period of time. So please be careful, and also teach your kids also regarding the same, so that they are well aware. The treatment or the eradication of any disease starts with the, one second. So this starts with the, your awareness. So more you are aware about it. Why I'm not able to change the screen? Okay. Now comes the diabetic symptoms. I think I have already shared with you what are the symptoms that a B12 deficiency brings is. It's the fatigue. Constantly थकान लगना, जरा सा काम करा थक गए, एनर्जी है ही नहीं बॉडी में. We are like, feeling like we had the food, let's rest, let's sleep. We are, completely missing out on work. सोच रहे, okay, somebody else should do it for us. We will keep 3-4 mates. We are doing so much. But what we are doing, we are not doing anything. Even if we are working, what we are doing, we are sitting in front of the laptop and working. There's no energy required. What we are using is only the brain, right? So the persistent fatigue, tiredness, if you are facing any such symptom, please ensure you are talking to your doctor, get the vitamin B12 check, and immediately, start with the supplementation. Second is the anemia. The moment the B12 is high, B12 is low, you are deficient in it, it's going to show you, on your skin. Your skin will look pale, you will get like shortness of breath, you will climb 3-4 flights of stairs, and you will feel like, oh my god, how much I have done, I don't have stamina, I can't do that, right? Getting so much of pain, dizziness, always feeling sleepy, doesn't feel like doing anything. If you feel, I start the work but then I can't complete, I start the work, then I feel like I'm completely lost, I don't know what to do, how to finish it. If these symptoms are there, or you are observing them, it's something can be B12 deficiency, which cannot be ignored. Again, numbness and tingling in the feet, feeling like, little tingling sensation in your feet, or feeling numbness. Sometimes it's completely like, when you're sitting on the floor, not able to get up because your बोलते हैं ना पैर सो गए हैं. So this is also numbness. आपके, there is no blood circulation, there is no nerve movement, and due to which you are facing all these problems. So this is B12 deficiency. Memory decline, चीजें याद नहीं रखना. Age is just a number. I don't believe in age, right? I can see my mother-in-law. She's like, now 80, but then she remembers everything so well. How she remembers it, that I think it's all because, if you talk about any date, any event, whenever it happened, she can just tell you within a second. I think it's all because she never lets her B12 go down. She's very, very mindful about her diet, takes care of it. So I think it's important. Age is just a number. You have to ensure that you are taking care of all the multivitamin deficiencies that happens in the system. Do you agree with me? I hope it makes sense, right? Now, detection, monitoring, and staying ahead. Beat the diabetes, beat the B12 deficiencies or any deficiency, and it's important to just screen. I see a lot of people coming to me and saying that, Neha, I handle cancer patients also, right? So I do lot of free counselings for the cancer patients, because I think they need that right now. Already they are paying so much to the hospitals, they need someone who can help them with the cancer counseling and the diet. So when they come to me, they say that, Neha, we have been diagnosed with fourth stage. Why fourth stage? You have not been doing your regular checkups? No, we have never found any need of doing it. Our kids never asked us. So this is really wrong. Please ensure that you are screening yourself every 6 months. Every 6 months, go for the screening of your blood sugar levels, your HDL or your LDL, your LFT, KFT, everything. If you are a female, go for the LDH test. which is like, a lactose dehydrase test, which is released. It's a hormone which gets released in your blood when you have cancer cells number echoing up, right? Same way for the men's, there are different markers. There are a lot of markers. If you want, I can share the list of it. But ensure this can be, easily identified. 300 rupees test, right? We can get it done every year twice. $600, but we cannot ignore it because cancer is so prevalent, because the food we are eating not pure, the air we are breathing is not pure, lot many things. But then what the point is that monitor, don't delay the detection, ensure that you are staying ahead from diseases. Proper timely screening is something very, very important, because later on you might need to pay a lot in these treatments. There is a mental trauma, there's a physical trauma, there is like too much of money required. So please be very, very careful from now itself. Advanced markers. So initial results are very, very borderline or symptom persist. When you see the B12, might be for the young person or anyone having a B12 of like, the range is between 200 to 900. So people feel, okay, 200, 300 is good because it's at borderline, it's fine. No, we have to go further and check. If you are not willing to take the supplements, please check the methyl malonic acid MMA test, homocysteine levels, because if your B12 deficiency is there, these levels will go high. Okay, these are the two markers which will tell you whether you are B12 deficient or not. So this we need to ensure we are completely keeping everything screened and checked. Ajit, I will take all the questions in another 2-3 minutes. Just give me 2-3 minutes. So who should test? Like everyone, especially the people who are diabetic, has to check. Again, people who are vegetarian should check. People who are on metformin should check. There are a lot of young girls who are having the polycystic ovarian syndrome or disease. They are not taking they are always deficient on vitamin B12 because their they are also on metformin. It's a common medicine that they have been given. तो अगर आपके घर में बच्चे हैं, लड़कियां हैं जो पीसीओडी या पीसीओएस है, ensure उनका B12 चेक करें, because they are studying right now, right? They might be at very early age of their jobs. तो अगर उनकी परफॉर्मेंस डिक्लाइन होगी तो इट विल इम्पैक्ट देयर इंटायर करियर. ठीक है, तो प्लीज एंश्योर दैट हम लोग B12 चेक करते हैं. Everyone should check and screen it every 6 months without fail. So periodic retesting is also very important. I hope it is clear so far. So ensure we are not missing on these points. Why I wanted to take up this session, because I wanted everyone to be aware that B12 cannot be ignored. Like the D3 cannot be ignored, B12 cannot be ignored too. What is the first approach? We generally go for the first approach of the food, right? But B12, so we vegetarians के लिए there are very less options. There is a fortified food, ठीक है? There's a fortified milk. Yeast can be taken. So nutritional yeast, the pure yeast which is there in the market, you can take that, and that can be used while kneading the dough, can be used in the fermentation process. That will help you in getting some amount of B12. There are a lot of products like soy milk, almond milk, oat milk. This also has a fortification of B12, right? But then to a very, less extent, when it comes to the vegetarians, you need to take the B12 supplements, cannot be replaced by food alone. So this can be a little bit contribution that can be made, but then again, 100% vegetarians को supplements लेना ही लेना है. Anyone who is taking metformin supplements आपको B12 के चाहिए. बहुत कम है, 200 से नीचे हैं, इंजेक्शंस लगेंगे. सिंपल से शॉट्स होते हैं, वीकली वंस लगते हैं, बिकॉज इंटरवीनस लगते हैं, तुरंत आपके B12 के लेवल्स बढ़ा देते हैं, आपके मेमोरी इंप्रूव कर देते हैं. आपकी अगर टिंगलिंग होती है, नमनेस होती है बॉडी में, तो आपके बॉडी को दे गिव अस अ वेरी गुड बूस्ट. सो प्लीज डरना नहीं है, सिंपल से इंजेक्शन हैं, बहुत सस्ते होते हैं. वी कैन गेट इट डन इन नियर बाई एनी क्लिनिक, राइट? सप्लीमेंट्स व्हेन नीडेड, तो हमारे ओरल सप्लीमेंट्स होते हैं. इफ योर बॉर्डर लाइन लाइक 200 to 300 के बीच में, यू कैन supplement it through the oral tablets and have it. It's very common and very effective. People, as I said, having below 200 have to ensure that they are taking the injections. Intravenous लेना पड़ता है, नहीं लेंगे तो आपके नर्व्स डैमेज बढ़ जाएगा, आपके ब्रेन फंक्शनिंग इम्पैक्टेड होगी, आपके बॉडी में फटीक रहेगा. आप चाहते हैं कि आई वांट टू डू एक्सरसाइज बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव एनर्जी. So if you want to improve on your energy levels, if you want to improve on your body functioning, your cognitive health, B12 is very important. Please do not ignore that. I really request everyone to not to ignore B12 सप्लीमेंट्स आपको अगर डॉक्टर ने दिया है, वी हैव टू टेक इट. ठीक है. तो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, लाइक क्या होता है B12 एंड डायबिटीज का पाथवे. सो बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंस कि there is a one hormone which is called homocysteine which gets produced in the system when we are B12 deficient. आपके B12 क्या करता है, प्रिवेंट करता है, इट प्रिवेंट्स द हार्मफुल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ होमोसिस्टीन इन द बॉडी. इट गेट्स कीप बिल्डिंग अप इन द बॉडी, and what happens, the blood vessels, they become weaker day by day, and that's why you keep getting lot of pains in the nerves, body pains, joint aches. ये सब हमारी प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाती है, and that is only reason for the lot of heart issues also these days. Lot of heart issues is not because of just the junk food or just the fatty food that we are eating or the bad fats that we are consuming. That is a one factor or the common, leading factor for this. But then again, homocysteine control is very important. This is the, too much of homocysteine in the body can damage your nerves completely, and this leads to diabetic neuropathy. इसीलिए I'm telling you, so whenever your B12 is less, जो कि आपके नर्व्स को प्रिवेंट कर रहा है, एक तरह से प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है. इफ दैट इज नॉट देयर, B12 नहीं होगा तो आपके नर्व्स को कोई प्रिवेंट, आपको प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करेगा, एंड दैट विल लीड टू होमोसिस्टीन बिल्डअप इन द सिस्टम. किडनी पे भी इम्पैक्ट करता है, आपके नर्व्स डैमेज पे भी हेल्प, बहुत बड़ा कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटर है. नाउ अगेन फॉर डायबिटिक पर्सन, व्हाट इज द आउटकम? करेक्टिंग B12 deficiency can help in preventing the nerve damage. Again, if the B12 deficiency is there, insulin resistance बहुत बढ़ जाती है, and one of the reason is the homocysteine buildup also. That's one of the compound which is present in the body which is not required. If too much of homocysteine is there in the system, it will lead to lot of insulin resistance, it will lead to nerve damage, it will lead to lot of body pain, your legs will shake, the balance will not come, lot of problems will start happening. Now body is made up of DNA, right? You all must be knowing. So methylation and DNA repair is also the one of the role of B12. B12 helps in renewal of the cells, it repairs the cells, it repairs the DNA, so that your body, your skin health, your functioning, your even the cell rejuvenation keeps taking place. अगर आप B12 का आपका deficiency है, so आपका DNA ही repair नहीं होता, and once the DNA get damaged, उसको हम ठीक नहीं कर सकते, right? So B12 can never be compromised. You have to be very, very conscious in that respect. I want to highlight these points because हम समझते नहीं हैं. So जब भी कभी हम we check our test levels, homocysteine, if it is going up, 100% your mind should, click that, oh, I might have the B12 deficiency, I should get it checked, right? Whenever you are getting lot of lethargy, fatigue, B12 needs to be corrected. Myelin and cognition. Even like, B12 supports the myelin sheath, which, which is like, around your nerves. So if these are your nerves, so there is a myelin layer which prevents the neuropathy, which prevents the tingling, which prevents the, your memory loss. So nowadays, if you have seen, there are increased cases of Parkinson. It was a very rare, Alzheimer's, Parkinson was a very rare disease earlier, but now it is increasing like anything in India, in, throughout the globe. Why it is increasing? B12 is also one of the major reasons for that, because your DNA, your cells, these are the basic of your body. These are the, cells which make your entire system. So if you are not taking care of your DNA and the B12, or your cell repairing work, your body will start going into a negative zone. That's the reason we have a lot of Parkinson cases, we have a lot of Alzheimer issues. So B12 is something very important. We cannot compromise to, get the B12 at the lower level. Now comes, what is your action? Please make sure you are getting tested. Make sure you are taking a good diet. If you take eggs, you take, fish, the best sources to be ever taken for a diabetic person. Please ensure that take it. And if you're non-vegetarian and you feel that, okay, I'm non-vegetarian, I'm eating enough of, B12, there could be the chances that your body is not absorbing it. So please still check your B12 every 6 months and understand what are the levels. You will understand the body's strength. You know that I know as a vegetarian, even if I'm going in sun, my body is not absorbing that much of D3 and I'm majorly deficient on most of the days. So I ensure I take my B12, D3 without fail. I ensure I take my B12 without fail because I'm vegetarian. I eat eggs also very rarely because most of the days we Hindus have a lot of, days. Tuesday we don't eat, Thursday we don't eat, Then there is a lot of festival, coming up. So half of the time we are not eating. We feel we are eating, but that is not sufficient, right? Now monitor the symptoms. Fatigue, any changes in the sensation. कुछ पकड़ने में दिक्कत होती है. Sometimes your hands are shaking. Sometimes if you are feeling that, you are not able to retain words, please ensure you get the B12 check and collaborate with your doctor's team, with your coach, and take a right call. Never ever miss on that. I really want you all to focus on it. And as I said, there are different sources of B12, but then like for vegetarian, there are very less sources. It's just the fortified food present in the market, which is not sufficient. For non-vegetarian people, please ensure 3 days a week you are taking the fish. When we talk about the fish and the shellfish, salmon, trout, tuna, clams, these are good, choices. Take poultry, take the desi eggs instead of the, processed one. Chicken liver, these are all very good options. For the vegetarians, we do not have any other choice. We have to take the supplements. We have to take the injections if required. Intravenous injections are not so painful. Please ensure that you are taking it without fail. Now, there are lots of myths, which I get to hear, that vegetables provide B12. If you have seen on Insta, YouTube, बहुत सारे ऐसे, आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर्स है, वो कहते हैं, knead the dough with the, with the yeast or with the whey protein and you will get the B12. कभी कम नहीं होगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Please. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. These are all just, marketing gimmicks. किसी तरह से अपने आप को फेमस करने के लिए दे आर गिविंग आए दाएं कुछ भी सॉल्यूशन बता रहे हैं, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. प्लीज यूज योर ब्रेन एंड ट्रस्ट, एंड go with your doctor's advice also, or your dietitian's advice, and then only take it. There are a lot of quacks in the market, lots of videos being prepared. मैं आपको बताती हूँ सिंपल सा. शुगर फिट में आई वॉज हैविंग वन क्लाइंट हु वॉज देयर विद मी फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2 years, and after certain time I saw him that he's making videos on diabetes, educating people on diabetes, and he's giving any rubbish, suggestions to the users without knowing them. And I really don't know why he's doing that, what popularity he's getting in it. And he was a skin specialist, he was a doctor himself, but giving just rubbish, any, suggestion to the users or the, society, it's really a wrong habit. It's a very big responsibility to be here to educate you, to give you a right suggestion so that we do not play with our health. तो किसी से भी प्लीज सजेशंस मत लीजिए. मार्केट में, यूट्यूब पे, गूगल पे इतना इन्फो है, पर सब सही नहीं है. Make sure you're doing the annual testing. At least ensure to test once in 6 months. I prefer once in 6 months. This is something we all need. I hope you could learn something new, but I'm ready to take up all the questions now. It's very simple topic, but then I think कभी कभी ना हमें एक reason चाहिए होता है कि हमें ऐसा क्यों करना है, किस लिए करना है. And once you understand and learn that particular rationale, it becomes much more simpler and easier to adopt it. हमारा mind हमेशा ना एक logic चाहता है. And अगर वो logic दे दिया ना, तो it's very simple to adopt it. So please focus on that. है ना? कहीं पे किसी को कुछ समझ नहीं आया तो please Savita, I'm very happy you finished your dinner by 7:30. Amazing. I'm sure आपको कुछ उसको benefit भी मिल रहा होगा. मुझे खुद अभी, it's been 15 years. I have never taken my meals after 6:30. I ensure that I finish my meal by 6:30. It's not that I don't go to parties and all. मैं जाती हूँ, मैं कभी ज्यादा होता है तो लेमन वाटर सिंपल सा ले लेती हूँ. बोलती हूँ कि लेमन वाटर दे दो, थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट डाल देना. That's it. But I don't take any meal after that. And it's a complete discipline that I have to bring in. It's not कि मैं दिखा रही हूँ या मुझे कुछ और करना, बट मुझे एक डिसिप्लिन बनाना है. मुझे अपनी बॉडी को रिस्पेक्ट करना है. एंड इफ पीपल कम एंड से you don't look 40 plus, if people come and say I feel good, right? Okay, yes, I'm taking good care of my body. It's just the outcome of the efforts I'm putting in for my human system, right? I have to ensure मेरे बच्चे खुश रहे, मतलब they remain healthy. I don't pass on any disease to them. So आप जितना अपने लिए करेंगे उतना ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, right? The breakfast today, okay, vegetable salad. Okay, I'm taking up all the questions now. Perfect, Kondal Rauji, you are taking, good meals. I can see you very often in the sessions also. Thank you so much for joining all our sessions nowadays. I see Bhakti ma'am very, regularly there on the sessions. So many, familiar faces, names. I can't take all the names, but it means a lot that you people are here supporting us. And these sessions are for you, and we are happy that we are able to reach out. Ma'am, what are your HbA1c levels, if you can share? Yes, 4.8. I have 4.8 HbA1c. So, yeah, that's it. It has been maintained to same. 4.8 रहता है मेरा. Vegetable chapatis, absolutely, you can take vegetable chapatis, but then the Mr. Okay, Zoom user, please ensure that you are taking the proteins also. Do not miss on the proteins. Vegetable chapati ले रहे, पनीर भुर्जी ले लीजिए, उसके साथ दाल बनी है तो दाल ले लीजिए, सोयाबीन की सब्जी है, eggs है, whatever the protein source you eat, you can take that. No breakfast, just tea and lunch and 12 noon directly. Cool, very nice. So that's what I do. Like I generally, when I'm not working out, I prefer to take my chia seeds water continuously from the morning till the time I eat my first meal so that the resistance comes down. I provide good amount of, magnesium from chia seeds to my body. एक तो good fats है, omega 3 we get, right? Secondly, chia seeds में it has like, so many nutrients, आपका magnesium, selenium, zinc, all the trace minerals you get which help in your cell development. तो आपका ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस कम रखता है. प्लस इतना मैग्नीशियम वाटर आपने चिया सीड्स वाटर पी लिया, already your stomach is full, and there is no scope of cheating. You will automatically eat right. So participation working okay. For sustainable B12, normal raw mung sprouts is good. No, it's not a good B12. It's something that is present only in the non-vegetarian sources. We do not have. Albino, see, right? Yeah, fatigue. Majorly, people are saying fatigue, memory loss, lethargy, forget, things. Yes, that's what energy levels are low. It's a sign of B12 deficiency. Please understand that if you have D3 and B12 on the lower side, you will 100% get these problems. मैंने कोशिश करी है हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में लेने की. आई होप आप सबको समझ में आया होगा. Any questions, please keep on writing in the chat section. What foods we can take to improve B12? So Anusha, for vegetarians there are very less food. As I said, almond milk आता है market में, oat milk आता है, but अगर आपका weight ज़्यादा है तो almond milk will not be a good choice. Oat milk is very very better choice. Urban Platter is a company जहाँ पे आपको oat milk मिल जाता है. आजकल जितने भी बड़े cafes हैं, they also provide the oat milk coffee, and also if you're going there, prefer instead of milk coffee, take the oat milk coffee, which is much better. बट फिर भी हम इतना मीट नहीं कर पाते. ईस्ट ले सकते हो आप, ईस्ट अपने आटे में ईस्ट लेके आप उससे आटा गूंद सकते हो, तो कुछ हद तक आपको उससे मिल जाता है. बट द अमाउंट ऑफ फ्लशिंग हैपनिंग थ्रू आउट द डे, आपके ब्लड शुगर रीडिंग्स कंट्रोल में रखिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज अगर वो कंट्रोल में नहीं है तो B12 की फ्लशिंग जो है ना 3 गुना बढ़ जाती है. इट इंक्रीजेस 3 times. What is the name of the medical test for detecting cancerous cells? I will write down in the chat section. I will send you. It's LDH. I will send it to you. But it's different for different people. But for women, I'm saying that LDH because breast cancer is very very common among them. Prakash Mohapatra. After our joining SugarFit process, individual complete blood test was done. B12 included in that test. Yes, it was included in that test. Yes. ओके श्योर मिस्टर कुंदन राव, मैं हैदराबाद ग्रुप में पोस्ट कर दूंगी. शुगर पीती नहीं, आई डिडंट गेट इट. शुगर पॉइंट मिल्क नहीं लेना है. मिस Chandramati, I'm not able to understand your question. Please write down again. My hemoglobin is excess. It's 18.2. I have excess RBCs and my B12 is lower range. Again, homocysteine levels have to be checked. That's what we said. MMM and homocysteine need to be checked. I will send the PPT to you so that you can read it once again and understand. Everything is mentioned very clearly. एब्जॉर्प्शन बहुत जरूरी है. इफ यू आर ऑन डायबिटीज मेडिकेशंस, जो सबसे ज्यादा फ्लश होता है वो B12 ग्रुप होता है. बी कॉम्प्लेक्स हमारे बॉडी से सबसे ज्यादा फ्लश होता है इफ यू आर डायबिटिक, राइट. एंड वैसे भी वेजिटेरियन में एब्जॉर्प्शन कम होता है. What test should I take for B12? It's a B12 test. You have to just say that I want to get the B12 done. It's Cyanobacterium, but Cyanobacterium, it's a supplement. But then I request you to please follow the doctor's prescription. It is 100% there in the doctor's prescription without fail. How to improve B12 absorption? Thank you, Satyanarayan ji. It's good to hear from you, and thank you for all the compliments. I just try to share my knowledge with you. Excess B12 is not a problem. See, very few people, आपका अगर B12, it's somewhere around 700, and then you are taking the injections, will definitely increase the B12. You can get fainted also. Don't go with that at any cost. But it's very rare. I have seen 10,000 में से 1K. In my entire career, I have seen only 1 person getting fainted with excess B12. But there's no such problem because always we are deficient only. Okay? So Don't worry, get the test done. Don't take it blindly. That's why I'm again and again saying detect, test, find out the numbers, and then start with the supplement, not without that. And doctors have always written that in your prescription. So please check that D3 and B12, that is there without fail. Absolutely, Deep. I can take one session on D3 also. It has been taken. I will share the recording also, but we'll take it up again. So vegetarian diets, it's simple like, oat milk, almond milk. These are the solutions, or the yeast. We get the natural baking yeast. You can take that. If iron in excess, not a problem. You are blessed. You're blessed that you have such a good, hemoglobin levels. Cool. Early dinner really helps a lot reducing fasting for weight management. Absolutely right, Neerja. Very true. It always helps. It's very good for even rejuvenating your system. हम अपने बॉडी को हील करने के लिए इतने सारे सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं. But the best is that early dinner and giving the body rest, shut down your digestive system. 90% of your energy is going in just eating and digesting the food. And if you are just taking care of your early dinner, all sorted. You will not get any issue. Chia seeds quantity. So in a day, you can take up to 1.5 teaspoon, but let it soak well. So what I do is in the morning itself, I just take my water bottle, add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, soak it for 10, 15 minutes or 30 minutes, and then start sipping it. I squeeze generally a lemon and add some mint leaves also for the flavor because I'm very bad with water consumption. इसलिए I just feel कि कुछ तो उसमें डाल दो ताकि I keep sipping it because Bangalore weather is also like that. आपको प्यास ही नहीं लगती है. It's always chill. It's always cold. Okay, now Ashok's in what? Foods to reduce uric acid. So, Ashok sir, for uric acid, barley water is very effective. Apple cider vinegar, very, very effective to flush out the uric acid. And third, the most important, why your uric acid is high? It is high because of too much of high blood sugar levels. If you have high blood sugar levels, automatically your uric acid production and the buildup in the blood will increase. जैसे ग्लूकोज absorb नहीं होता और हमारे ब्लड सेल्स में यहाँ पे स्टिक हो जाता है, वैसे ही यूरिक एसिड भी हमारे ब्लड के आरबीसीज में स्टिक हो जाता है एंड दैट इंक्रीजेस द यूरिक एसिड. और धीरे धीरे क्या होता है ना, ब्लड बिकम्स वेरी थिक. अब बेचारा हार्ट क्या करे, उसे तो लाइट ब्लड को सर्कुलेट करने की आदत है, सारे दिन उसका काम है कि ब्लड सर्कुलेट करो पूरे बॉडी में. नाउ द ब्लड सर्कुलेशन इज ऑल्सो कॉम्प्रोमाइज because of the too much of buildup of homocysteine, too much of buildup of uric acid, too much of buildup of LDL, your cholesterol, your too much of triglycerides. That's why हम बोलते हैं सबसे अच्छा डाइट में एक मंत्रा रखना चाहिए, खूब सारा फाइबर खाओ, खूब सारा प्रोटीन खाओ और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और ग्रेन्स को जितना कम खाओ उतना अच्छा बेस्ट है. अगर ज्यादा टाइम तक जिंदा रहना है, हेल्दी रहना है, मेडिसिन के बिना रहना है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स को कम कर दीजिए. द बेस्ट वे टू मेंटेन योर फिजिक. एंड दैट्स व्हाई इफ यू सी, आप मलेशिया जाइए, आप थाईलैंड जाइए, आप इंडोनेशिया जाइए, आप यूरोप जाइए, पीपल आर ईटिंग वेरी लेस ग्रेन्स. They eat very less grains, and that's the only reason they still look so young. Their skin is flawless, and the more you work on that, the better will be your health. Soya chunks चलेगा, but then soya chunks तो proteins है, इसमें B12 नहीं है. 611 on 23rd August. Mr. Gotke, absolutely perfect. It's okay. आपको जरूरत नहीं है, but whatever you are having, I think you are taking the supplement. So continue with that. We will check again after 6 months. So for B12, I said all the non-vegetarian food. You can take fishes, you can take chicken, you can take eggs. Yellow portion has B12. You can take yeast for if you are vegetarian. So, Chandramati, that's a very good question. Milk is really high in lactose. Nowadays, cows have been injected with the hormonal injections, due to which the milk what we are taking is increasing inflammation, leading to a lot of problems, health issues. It actually changing the DNA structure of your body. So that's really not very much advisable. Should not exceed more than 100 ml a day. But if you can shift to oat milk, which is very, very doable, very, much, it goes well with milk, with your sweet dishes. If you are preparing any with the monk fruit sugar, or if you are using in teas, it's much better. Teas or coffees, you can use the oat milk instead of the normal milk. Ajit Kumar sir, 2 kg weight loss, it's good only, but I hope what is your BMI depends on that. If it is like low and then you are losing on the muscle, on the weight, then we have to check whether it is coming from the fat loss or coming from the muscle mass. Anusha, you can go to the lab reports which were done by SugarFit in the beginning and check your B12 levels. So I'm not a doctor. I will not suggest any B12 tablets, but then the tablets are very common and it is 100%. Every SugarFit doctor has been advised to prescribe B12 in their prescription. I will show the prescription screenshot just now. नहीं, एक्सेस आरबीसी कोई नुकसान नहीं करता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. इट्स जस्ट दैट मेंटेन दैट रेड ब्लड सेल्स का इतना एक्सेस नहीं. प्लेटलेट काउंट बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेसिव हो जाना या बहुत ज्यादा कम हो जाना नुकसान करते हैं. आई विल शेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ B12. Absolutely, I will share the recording, Alina. Do not worry. So the test is simple. It's called B12 test. So you have to just check the B12 levels. You can have like 100 ml of buffalo or the cow milk. It's okay. Can I take chia seeds flow directly or juice? See, don't take the chia seeds directly. If you take it, it swells after eating. So it will stuck in your throat and you can get choked. You can die. That can be detrimental. Always take chia seeds, soak it in a glass of water, and once it is soaked and swollen double the amount, then only consume it. Right? Do not take it if you are not soaking it directly. There are many, smoothie centers I see nowadays. They sprinkle the chia seeds on the salad or on the smoothie or ice cream. Do not eat it. Very wrong practice. It can choke your throat. गले में जाके यहाँ पे फूल जाता है and हमारे food pipe को, wind pipe को block कर देता है. Can be very, very harmful. Please never ever take like that. Okay. Cashew and almonds and water seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Okay, all the seeds you can take, but not the dates. These dates are simple sugar, no juices. This is again the simple direct sugar which will increase your glucose levels. Your HbA1c will never ever come down in life. All seeds have oxalate, absolutely formulates the kidney stones. But if you are taking wrong, आप अगर अपने seeds को soak करके लेते हैं, you have to soak the seeds overnight. You have to soak the pulses overnight. You have to soak the legumes. आप अगर छोले, राजमा, कोई भी seeds खाते हैं, अगर उसे बिना soak करे खाते हैं, it has a covering of oxalates and phytic acid on top of that. It's for the protection of the enzymes and the nutrients present in it. तो अगर आप सोक नहीं करेंगे तो वो रिलीज नहीं होता. वो जो एसिड ऊपर होता है वो हमारे बॉडी में जाके एसिडिटी क्रिएट करता है. इट फॉर्मुलेट्स अ स्टोन. तो बेस्ट है सीड्स को सोक करके खाइए. सोक करके अपने सैलेड पे डाल दीजिए, सोक करके अपने सीड्स में, अपने फ्रूट्स के ऊपर डाल दीजिए. whatever is convenient. आपको कर्ड में खाना है, आप कर्ड में डाल के खा लीजिए. It will not formulate the kidney stones 100%, but if you are taking directly, it will formulate the kidney stones for sure. So it's always good. दाल को soak करना. Soak the dals at least for 2 hours. Soak the legumes, all legumes family, छोले, राजमा, मसूर की दाल, गोल गोल दाने वाले जितने जितने भी दाल्स होते हैं, इनको ओवरनाइट सोक करना जरूरी है. Tell us best fiber to control sugar. Psyllium husk is good. All the vegetables have fiber. Take at least 40% of raw vegetables in the diet. Best, but distributed in throughout the day. It's not that कि 30% or 20% vegetables हमने एक ही मील में खा लिया. Distribute it before breakfast, before lunch, before dinner. The more you distribute, the better will be the absorption. ज़्यादा अगर एक साथ खा लेंगे, it will lead to diarrhea, right? Body won't be able to handle it. So right range of B12 is above 600. Best to have it above 600. It is from 200 to 900, but best to have it above 600. I will share the recording, don't worry. Chia seeds are very good. Like, generally we do not have omega-3 in the diet. So chia seeds fulfills that requirement. Flax seeds fulfill that requirement. They have all the trace minerals, magnesium, selenium, zinc. They help in cell development. Can I take 2 dates? No, please, big no. No dates, no jaggery. These are all simple sugar. They are sugars which directly gets accumulated in your blood. आपके ब्लड में जाके एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएंगे. आपके आरबीसीज में, आपके हीम, आपके आयरन को हटा हटा करके ना बस वहां पे सब सिर्फ ग्लूकोज जमा हो जाएगा. हीमोग्लोबिन आपका HB1 से भी कभी कम नहीं होगा और डायबिटीज भी कभी ठीक नहीं होगी, फिर सारी जिंदगी मेडिसिन पे रहना पड़ेगा। 2 डेट्स हटा दो प्लीज, हेल्दी फूड खाओ, राइट? मूंग sprouts raw or cooked. See, if you, Vannaji, if you have any gastritis issue, IBS, gut issues, take the मूंग sprouts in the blanched form. थोड़ा उसे गर्म पानी में उबाल करके फिर ले लीजिए। बट इफ यू कैन टॉलरेट, आपके बॉडी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है, आपको कोई गट इश्यूज नहीं है, you can have the moong sprouts directly also with lot of vegetables. Make sure they are soaked, make sure they are washed properly and then used. Mr. Raghavendra, 231 is not a good amount. Like, you have to really be on supplements. Karthik, okay. Does the body absorb B12 with alcohol? Not at all. Alcohol stops the absorption for most of the nutrients. You know the answer. I know very well. There's no point of asking about the alcohol and the consumption. If you are smoking well and you feel the body is going to work well, sorry, no matter whatever you are eating, the absorption of the food is not going to take place. And you will be always deficient, always having a lot of health issues, your lungs problem. Roasted seeds and peanuts and dry fruits, yes, you can take that, roasted seeds, but try best is to soak it. If you're not getting any problem, absolutely okay. No need to make a juice. So after soaking the seeds, just directly you can take the, seeds. Maybe you can sprinkle it. I hope you're able to hear me. There's a power cut. So you can sprinkle it on top of the vegetables. You can sprinkle it in your curd. You can sprinkle it on your vegetables. You can consume it. It's nice. It tastes good. What you can do is just sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala on top of that, or the black salt will be good. How much yeast to be used? 1 teaspoon. You can just knead your dough with 1 teaspoon of yeast. Yeast को पानी में soak करना जरूरी है. So please ensure that you are soaking this yeast 1 teaspoon into 3 teaspoon of water. And once it is done, then you can knead the atta with that. Yeah, this is the tablets you have shared in the chat, methylcobalamin. So this is the B12. It has generally all. This is the one which consists of B1, B2, B3, B6 and folic acid. So this is key B12. If you are not able to see, I will just quickly share my screen and show it to you. So this is the tablet actually, right? So yeah, that's a tablet. But it's good to take it after doctor's prescription because depends how much is your deficiency. Everyone is different, right? आपके किसी के levels बहुत कम होंगे, किसी के बहुत ज्यादा होंगे, तो हमें समझना पड़ेगा कि हमारे कितनी levels हैं, हमें कितना B12 चाहिए. बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं, खाली पेट चिया सीड्स ले सकते हैं. रात में 1 ग्लास में 1 चम्मच भिगा के रख दीजिए, सुबह उठ के खाली पेट पी लीजिए. एब्सोल्युटली ओके. आपकी इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस कम करता है, आपके बॉडी में इन्फ्लेमेशन कम करता है. परफेक्ट फॉर to kickstart the day. Not aware of yeast intake in regular form, please detail. So yeast is very simple. Like, you get a good yeast from the market, especially from the bakers or any baking shop. They have the pure yeast because the pure yeast gets used for the baking of the breads and lot of, products. Take 1 teaspoon, add in half cup of water and use that water when it gets completely dissolved. You can take a little lukewarm water. Once it's completely dissolved, then you can knead the dough with that water. That's it. Very, very simple. It's a very simple step. You should not directly consume the yeast. You should either add it to the chapati dough. That will be the best practice. Okay, could you please throw some light on diabetic and lean people? Yeah, diabetes comes with the, fat. Obesity is one of the factors which leads to diabetes due to high insulin resistance and inflammation. But Mr. Deep, if you are lean and you are having diabetes, there are higher chances to have the type 1 or 1.5 diabetes. Please get it checked. Check your C-peptide levels. Talk to your doctor. Understand what diabetes you have. And even if you're lean, what is the fat percentage around your belly region? If your waist size is more, half of, your waist should be half of your height in centimeter. If your waist is more than that, definitely you are very prone to diabetic, right? And then again, diabetes is very much dependent on your lifestyle, your eating pattern, how active you are throughout the day. So a lot of factors like lean and all, obesity is the secondary factor. But first of all, what you're eating, how active you are, what is your lifestyle, and these are the major contributors towards the diabetes, your lifestyle. One and the only reason. Chia seeds and flax seeds can be taken together. Absolutely, you can take it together. No problem. Absolutely, chia seeds, soak it in water. You can take it 1 teaspoon before the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can even take, like, if you're taking like that, half teaspoon, distribute half teaspoon before the breakfast, half teaspoon soaked before the lunch, half teaspoon soaked before the dinner. The best practice, what I do, I just add it to my curd itself. Take half teaspoon of chia seeds, soaked one, add it to the curd, and that's how you can consume it before all the 3 meals. You can drink the water, but absolutely okay, no problem. After soaking the chia seeds, you can have the water. It gets diluted, not a problem. Which dry fruits are the best in the morning? The soaked almonds, one walnut, not more than that. Should have only one walnut. Too many walnuts also lead to the increase the spike. Then cashew nuts have the higher carbohydrates. So take 3-4 pieces of cashew nuts only. Brazil nut, people who have thyroid, people who have hair fall issues, people who have dry skin, best one Brazil nut a day. Amazing to stimulate your thyroid functioning as well as for your skin. How about the fruits? Yes, you can have fruits plus take one fruit in a day. Have it not empty stomach. So fruits are simple sugar, right? So morning your resistance is very high. No matter whatever you are having, little bit of simple carbs, which is coming from fruit stuff. It has fructose only. It will give the spike. But if you're not taking breakfast and you want to take fruits, then you can have 1 teaspoon of seeds, few almonds, one walnut, and then you can consume your fruit. Once it has given the layer of the fats on top of it, after that, once you consume the fruits, आपको spike नहीं आता, you will not get spike. Okay, lots of questions on chia seeds. It's same. How to prevent the damage of teeth? Very good question, Mr. Ramakrishna. Apple cider is acidic, no doubt about it. The best way to consume it is take 200 ml of water, dilute with take 2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, dilute nicely and drink it with the steel straw so that the water goes directly inside the, throat, not in your mouth. And rinse your mouth after having it. ब्रश नहीं करना है, एनामल खराब हो जाएगा टीथ का. सिर्फ रिंस करना है, कुल्ला करना है. Just put it in your mouth, the water, and swish it and throw it, spit it out. That's it. So it will not damage your teeth at all. So, Mr. Hemant, it depends on your HbA1c, it depends on your current situation. We have to rule out we are not type 1.5 diabetic. So, what is the right current diabetes? Is it like type 1, 1.5? You have to understand and identify that. Cool. So, I have taken all the questions now. So, I hope the session was good. You enjoyed, and stay active on the Premium Warrior group. See, it's very important to be active over there. Why? Because I request, the more we see each other's picture, the more the motivation we get. I keep sharing a lot of CGM graphs so that you get to see what food combination is giving spike, which one is not. Then every human body is very different. We need to figure out and rule out our own body's truth, which food is the material, which is the right fit for us. But yes, I request everyone to keep on sharing your views on the sessions, on the content that has been shared. But please tag me at @Neha Kapoor. If you write direct message, आप directly जब भी कभी लिखते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं कि नेहा रिप्लाई नहीं करती है, नेहा कैसे रिप्लाई करेगी? There are 230 to 50 groups and 250 groups में 60,000 members है. अब वो 60,000 मेंबर्स के मैसेजेस रीड करना तब तक नहीं होता जब तक वो मुझे टैग ना करें. एक एक ग्रुप में जा करके मैसेज रीड करना थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है मेरे लिए. मैं अकेले हैंडल करती हूँ कम्युनिटी. तो अगर आप मुझे टैग करेंगे ना @नेहा कपूर, वो ब्लू में फ्लैश होके आता है, मुझे दिखता है, तो मैं आंसर कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है. सो बाकी तो जो भी डाउट्स होते हैं तो आप वीकेंड वेबिनार रहता है, यू कम हियर 10 to 11 आई एम हियर, आई कैन आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. And hope you enjoyed the session. And today you are going to definitely open your reports, check your B12 levels. It's not less. And if it is less, below 600, please talk to the doctor and the coach. आप अपने प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे देखिएगा whether doctor has mentioned about B12. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, डॉक्टर B12 सिर्फ फर्स्ट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पे लिखते हैं because this to be continued lifelong. So doctor is not even saying to stop. Doctor is not even saying to continue in the next consultation because 5-10 minutes का consult होता है, उसमें major आपके medicines discuss होते हैं. but this need to be continued without second thought. D3 B12 लेना ही लेना है, नहीं छोड़ना है उसको, ठीक है? So whatever the prescription mentions, the B12 dosage, you have to take that. Cool. Thank you so much for all the patience. Have a wonderful Sunday. I hope you're going to utilize this well. My kids' exams are starting, so I will be busy with the kids. But I hope you all are going to have good fun, relax, rest, introspect, think about yourself, and do something useful instead of just going out and eating food. Like, last Sunday मैंने trek किया था. I went for a trekking and it was good fun. After that, once you come back, you feel more energetic, you feel more happy. Find out the activities. Bangalore has a lot of activities, clay activities and art activities. It's very, very stress bursting. You do whatever you like, whatever your city offers you. Just need to find out what all the activities happening nearby instead of just scanning and finding out the hotels and new restaurants in your locality. So thank you so much. Namaste. आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने सेशन ज्वाइन किया. See you all together again on next Sunday. People who are who can speak Telugu, we have another session at 11:30. This session is on fibers. कि fibers के बारे में बहुत सारे questions थे. अगर आपको उनके बारे में और डिटेल में जानना है तो प्लीज नेक्स्ट सेशन ज्वाइन करिए. तेलुगु में है बट इंग्लिश में नहीं है. तो इंग्लिश सेशन हम लास्ट वीक कर चुके हैं. सो यू कैन सी द रिकॉर्डिंग. एंड आप जब रिकॉर्डिंग सुनते हैं तो प्लीज अपने कमेंट्स जरूर लिखा करिए. आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको सेशन कैसा लगा. कोई भी चेंजेस हैं, कोई सजेशंस हैं, प्लीज जब तक बताएंगे नहीं पता नहीं चलेगा मुझे, तो प्लीज वो सब जरूर बताइएगा. टेक केयर. गुड डे. बाय बाय.